Should I buy a house? Or am I ready to buy a house? That's really the question. So how do you know? When you're stable enough to have a rent for a long period of time, at least a year, where you're comfortable in it. Here's the secret. Paying a rent, you are paying a mortgage. It's just not your mortgage. It's the owner's mortgage. It's the landlord's mortgage. So if you're going to do that, better for you to take that money and pay your own mortgage. And if you know that you can afford that apartment for a whole year, then it's time for you to be buying a house. You should find a neighborhood that you want to move into in a price range that is similar to what you're renting, and take that money and start putting it into your own equity, your own net worth, instead of into somebody else's. By the way, interesting statistic, people who own a house have 400% more net worth than someone who is renting a house. It's simple to know if you're ready. If you can afford the apartment for a whole year and you're stable enough in your credit as well as your ability to pay that rent, it's time for you to buy a house.